Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Ghana for asene audio. In fact, audios. Sana ose mekano. Audios bebree fa nsem bebree ho. Na we endra breaking news ayede bre mo se Asepa penyi wa petition parliament say allegations as wa broni wode ato President Akufo-Addo so no. Yenye nhwehwemu because ade bia egu oman no enimu ase. Yan hwene ye a afi ebekọ na wie ya yepese omo a womu woska a womu wo oman foforo yenim se December de ya Ghana ha no mo ba no yan hwene ya womu nyamba enam se wa broni nsem a waba beka afa President Akufo-Addo ho no. Na Asepa de womu atro a petition parliament. Na you see, let's say this. I'm doing an analysis on this, and you guys will get my point. Ghana ni bia send audio afasa asem we ho mebo audio no, but before that, yes analysis we. Muni amokai embra ye to abawie ye as Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin ewini ye no. Muni amokai say me kan sem bi tremo. Me ka tremo say you see, the severity of the issue is that now the Speaker of Parliament is from NDC. Inti se Alban Bagbin so yes wo born a lot of things will work in this country. But my only problem is say I don't know if Ghana your democracy no you deep to the point where sadie no ebemana ye jumana. And let me tell you this. How the Speaker of Parliament no Yenda nyamiase send the Speaker of Parliament no woye NDC ni. Listen. Speaker of Parliament no nankonye NDC ni a nanka in the first place. We will come to the issue but me twemo adwan ba bibi so. Onye NDC ni a nanka in the first place a LGBT bill ya Sam George mo peso mo pass. Na krane nyame nim ni nanka ato nsium. Speaker of Parliament me say wonye NDC ni a nanka sa LGBT bill yi nanka atonsium nanka yendwin humpo denja na make sa it was the Speaker of Parliament nanka sa and odini to me share echi say ye be pass onu no ko share Australian ambassador maniti ase say sa mo LGBT nsem no yen so wa ha and odi to me share Sam George Munsa say wo mu mpe ye be pass nansen wa shembra say ye be voti na yaso camera TV na Ghana phone na ahwe MPs no mu be vote inti MP bia ye bodin na wo LGBT no pese ye gitum wo Ghana na wakwa vote se pese ye gitum no onkrofo atifie be hu ne se se ye MP sebe wankwanko ye de ye pe Speaker of Parliament abeka sansem no me say na Speaker of Parliament onye NDC ni anaka sa de we na ye hu. Why? Because look Sisiano the MPP MPs na womunsunsa eshe LGBT bill na say it's very unfortunate that we are not talking about LGBT, but I'm just drawing my conclusion and then we'll come to the main point. The LGBT MPP for no mo sha say sisia womu ni na womu yomunsa efiase. The people speaking against it now people are ni momo wo MPP Akoto Ampao Akufo-Addo lawyer Onumpo ababonti ababeka say sa speaker directive na wo ma say yema MPs ni na nto abana Ghana for hwe na ne krenye yembongu but speaker no won fi no because ono Akoto Ampao need to mean trade the speaker no onye. Aside that President Akufo-Addo kran saying call interview with Kwame Sefakan ono nso ye bisa no asamo akan no we should tolerate. Or say we should tolerate. Or say neniaji. Usha senia enkrofobia omoye professors kasa about LGBT necessity. No kra neniaji. No. It tells you or obibeka say it implies the side the president is going with. It clearly tells you says idea way. Naka we didn't have an NDC Speaker of Parliament. Naka masa. Nanga Sam George ne nsem ne yabo egu. Aside that, the second thing, School of Law. Students 499 womo pass exams are ende. You see, because ye need space in no enkola no exams no ye mo control bi. Ye petition parliament because the speaker of parliament, because you could be say Kufuado about it no, he didn't really give an answer or say I didn't know how be a daho now be anything. But you could petition speaker of parliament because in Grofun who says he's here and the speaker of parliament no, he doesn't belong to the president's party. Into president ne will no. You see, normally what happens ne say the rule of the executive no, mostly it is exerted on the speaker or the parliament. Because you say executive no president no, also mostly Ghana has say na speaker biano every president ne party munti na the president ne penny na speaker ne ye. But this time around the president no only speaker ne free the same party. It will be nya sempe no they are parliament no acquire petition. So omo petition or parliament say General Legal Council na School of Law no omo man kola nko school nti kola 499 mo pass exams a ya mo anko school no parliament e de mbraba anomo de order aba say yanji omo wo school nim. Aside that, let me give you another scenario. Muni amo kai health minister ne nsensema eba nanka NDC any speaker of parliament nanka saa nhwehwemu no nanka emba, but because NDC has speaker of parliament inti eba ya na eka so okay yenye nhwehwemu no yenye nhwehwemu ne ehun se say health minister de oyeye wanya de inti saa speaker of parliament na yenya no ye NDC ne kra ne nyame anim ne aboa Ghana ye, because nanka nyame bia nanka it will be swept under the carpet no nanka hwem ebeko afei edeba assembly so. You see, because the speaker of parliament is not coming from the MPP's political party, there are high chances say the criminality side of this issue no wobema yahwem. But I am telling you, nanka yemfa say Michael Kwe ene wo ho a nanka sepa for letter ikra nanka masa yesi ebe free. Nanka yesi ebe free. Ki aboa to baby. Inti enda obe notice a nkrofo a womunya asem bia wo Ghana bia no bebi a wo mo troko eye parliament bebi a wo mo troko eye because wo nim say parliament ho no enye aban nkrofo na ehede ho inti ho de kwa mesa mu hwem. This is the type of democracy a Ghana mimi susu say ebema aye adwuma enye all wins all and a winner takes all ne dia na afei yetite. But Ghana need ya send audio a wo beso wo tre ensemu ni so se ono de ko no kwa nanka speaker no kra na asemu yo mbongu ma onye se wo ko waste time kra hwehwem yenko tie mra.
Good evening, Melodies. Net saying so here dear me chewa tie fu nyina na ala so mo ho ban de be san ni musuo ni nkwanhia no ala oyi emfiri wo so. Melodies me pesa me kasa kakra efa yena na Akufo-Addo ni daybreak ya wakutu a ehun aba asem no epesa me kasa kakra efa ho me kasa efri Libya. Melodies se me mini speaker of parliament ya se wo mo de back me bo atu agu because e bi esipen former president eto no ya hu panyini bia asabi osore ekasa even ahanfo obia ntimi ansore anjina former president achi ambo achire se de omuye enye ensem fata se ewo se omuye sa panyini bia ni ho Ghana enam se former president on kasanti obia timi di nanim eye form se di osipe ende eto na nado de omuso omo de ko parliament wahu na MPP fo nkan hu se aba ye de botachi no ye de bobo ba se di esi ko ye former president so no ende aduru omo so a omo nye din memo omo nkasa kura se di esi kan papa no no saa so ne ye beka nana no nti omo nye din assembly omo de ko parliament mimo mini speaker of parliament ade assembly ba mi njintu mebo atu agu because sipen ye man panyini dada Akufo mahu se ne pen so ene so bisiye Ntinye Nana Addo nko adeɛ ana yɛde bɛkɔ parliament sɛ yɛkɔdwene ho. Nti wɔkyɛne mpanyinfo a wɔde kana baako a atoto wɔn no. Wɔne deɛ ɔkyɛne wɔn anaa. Nana Addo deɛ yɛnka n'asɛm wɔ Ghana anaa. Biribi si wɔ Nana Addo akwan mu ani kwan sɛ yɛka anaa. Medwene deɛ wɔde yɛ former president deɛ wɔde yɛ no wɔ Ghana. Ya na yɛ ma yɛrɛho na yɛ misun na mehu ne sɛ papa no. Si yɛka sɛ obi a ɔdwene paa former president John Dramani Mahama ɔdwene ankasa ɔwɔ abotere so. Sɛdeɛ osi hɔ abotere no nsɛm a MPP foɔ ka faa ne ho nyina no ɛne na ndɛ ɛda ne ba MPP foɔ so no. Deɛ ɔmo ka faa ne ho a ɛnyɛ no kure ne nyinaa ɛndɛ ɔmo behu ne nyinaa ɛnyɛ nwie yi o. Wie deɛ yɛ nananom foforo bɛsan aba bio deɛ ɔmo ka faa papa ne ho biara no ɛbɛba ɔmo ankasa so. Melodies mede masɛm ebesi ha mekasa efili Libya yɛsrɛ yɛ na wa play audio no bi so ama yɛ. Goodbye.